So this is our African gray parrot, Charlie. And these kind of birds have the mind of a 6-year-old child. And they live for many, many years. And normally he talks and talks and talks.
Hello.
But since I'm recording, he's going to be quiet. And Annie Joe makes him a little bit nervous too.
Hello. What is he doing?
He's just puffed up. Charlie. Come on, bud.
I think he's a little bit shy. I think he's a little bit shy to your video.
You think he is?
I think he's turning away to your video. He's climbing on the couch.
I know. Say hello, Charlie. Can you say hello?
Hello. He said it. Did you have him?
A funny story about Charlie. Years ago, me and Sam took him to the vet, and we had his nails cut, and they had threw like a blanket or something, or a towel or something over his head, because his beak is very, very strong. If he wanted to, he could take a finger off. But anyways, as soon as they uncovered him, he ran on the table and went to Sam and said, "Come on." And they thought it was hilarious. Come on. Come on. Tell him, say, come on.
Come on. It's okay.
But the vet,
What?
the vet and the
Tony, what are you doing?
whoever was back there, we thought it was so funny.
Tony,
Come on.
you're making a mess. And we don't want the couch all whipped up whenever my mama takes them back. Don't we? Or see we like, what happened? And I'll tell her, you did it, Tony.
All right. You all have a good day.